Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So this is just a really quick video. I've been doing my other clocks, my strawberry and my bee, and I decided I'm going to remount this clock as well. This is one that I got as a PR package. I think it was my second ever PR package from ONEDAYSAVING.com, and at that time it was £7.58, and it's well over a year ago that I got this. In fact, it might even be 18 months ago. I know it's quite a while ago, and yeah, it was on a square canvas, so like the other clocks that I've done, if you've seen the other video, I could have mounted it, but I decided because this was a round pattern with just a white plain background, I cut it out. It is sealed, and I used some foam board, which wasn't overly successful because I used spray mount to stick it on with, and the spray mount didn't work. So I'm now going to attempt using double-sided tape, which is my red liner tape, which if you've seen my other videos that I've done, you will know that yeah, I've used it quite a lot, and I thought it might just keep it a little bit straighter. So you can see where it started to come off, the glue started to just dry, I suppose, dry out, and it started coming away. So I thought we'll give this a go instead, because I do like this clock. This one is destined for my craft room. Just trying to get these red liner tapes off here, get the backings off. I did give it another iron as well, actually, while I had to take it. Well, it would come off, and it just literally, I just touched it and it just came away. So yeah, maybe I'd not used the spray correctly, I don't know, but yeah, certainly yeah, I wasn't overly happy. It was a stick and stay that I used. If you do use any of the spray mount spray adhesives, it's usually better to take it outside, because they are a glue, and if it comes out as a fine mist, it can be, well, it's not good for your health if you breathe any of it in, obviously, but it's also not good for your furniture and your carpets and things because it is sticky. So let's just get these bits off. If you are wanting to get anything from One Day Saving, as always, I do have a 5% discount code that you can use, and that's Liz05 off. So I'll put all the details in the description, and I'll put it across the screen as well. Always try and remember that. You may as well get 5% discount. And I am waiting for some new products coming, some new lovely things coming from One Day Saving, so keep watching. All the ladies but one. I still need Cindy Bennett, if possible, please, to get in touch with me regarding a gift voucher for One Day Saving. All the other 4 ladies have now received their vouchers. As soon as I sent the email off with the ladies' email addresses, they all got their vouchers straight away from One Day Saving, so they're happily spending those vouchers now. That was a really good giveaway, really good fun of them, really good of them to do that for us. And yeah, we like a giveaway. There will be another one coming up soon, so keep watching. And yeah, just while I'm getting these bits of liner tape off here. Okay, so I hope everybody is doing okay. And if the ladies who did win the giveaway would like to send me pictures of whatever they choose or any completed items that they've got, then I will quite happily show them on the channel, give you a little hello and show what you got. It's nice to see what people get. I'm always interested. I think that's why I like watching other people's unboxing videos, because I love to see what other people have bought. When you go around shops, do you look in other people's carts and think, oh, I like the look of that. I wonder where they got that from. I know I do, particularly in the craft store. It's terrible. Somebody thinks I'm stalking them, and I'm not. I'm just trying to see what they've bought. Mind you, do you find when you're in the supermarket and you put all your things that you've bought onto the conveyor belt to go towards the cashier, and you're looking at what the person in front of you's bought, and you look at yours and you think, oh, theirs looks a lot more interesting than mine. Oh dear, I wonder if anybody looks at mine and thinks, oh, that looks interesting, or if they just think, oh, that's a boring shopping she's got. I wouldn't like to live in her house. Mainly milk and dog food, to be honest. No, I don't feed hubby dog food. Honest. Well, he has been known to eat the odd dog biscuit from time to time when he doesn't really listen. You know, I won't say you know what men are like, but you know what men are like. And, you know, you get him a cup of tea, and I just said, oh, this is for Millie, or whichever dog it was, and hand him a biscuit, and he'll just sit and start munching the biscuit, and poor little Millie's just sat there looking at me thinking, that was mine. Why are you eating my biscuit? That was mine. And, yeah, he'll say, oh, this tastes awful, and I'll say, well, I'm not surprised, it's for the dog. And he'll say, well, why didn't you say? I said, well, I did. Oh dear, so it's just a case of putting this back now onto this circle of foam board, and just flattening it down. Oh, it's definitely gone down a lot better. This has been sealed as well, so no fear of any of the gems moving. But I do think it's very pretty. I think you can get a tin version of this one as well, but I just like the canvas version. And as I say, because I didn't want it as like the square with the white edges, I cut it out and put it on a bit of mount board. That could have been cut out a lot better, but I think I'm not quite sure what I was doing when I did that. Anyway, looks like I've cut it out with a knife and fork, doesn't it? It's over a year ago. I don't know what I was doing last week, let alone last year. So let's see now whether I've managed to keep all the bits of the clock. No, I've lost one of the hands. So let me get these off here. And I think I did have a piece of board. No. Right, so that needs to go through. Oh, the battery wants to be at the bottom. Okay, put it that way up. So it wants to go like that. Oops, hang on. I need the little washer on the bottom first. I believe this is how it goes. Can't quite remember now. Keep that square. Yep, that's there. Okay, and then that washer goes on there. Now this is actually on top of some of the gems, so screw that one down onto there. Oh, then have I put this on? Okay, so screw that one down onto there. Then we want the hour hand on first, and that pushes down. I have got some spare hands from my other kits, so I will use one of these. This is the minute hand, and this will push down onto, oops, there. Gosh, doesn't want to push. Let me just give it a bit of welly. That's it, that's onto there. Just bend it up slightly from the drills, bend it up from there, and then we just need to put the second hand back on and screw that into there. Oops, push it down a little bit, hold on to the little turner at the back because we don't want it going anywhere, and there we are. So let's see what time we are now. It is 2:30. So we'll put that there, and this needs to be coming down to nearly 3. Just pop that there. So we've not got all the numbers on this one, and then I just need to put a battery in the back of this one as well, and we are done. Okay, which way around does it go? That way. Is it that way? Yes, that way. Okay, and we now have a ticking clock. So I can now put that one back on the wall in my craft room. I just love the colours on this. I just think the owl is so pretty. And yeah, just pop that down that way a little bit. They're very, very thin of these hands. They're a little bit flimsy, but I suppose they need to be so they can move around maybe. But yeah, this is so, so pretty. In hindsight, I wish I'd done the white as glow in the dark, because I think in the dark, particularly with it being in a bedroom, then the white moon showing as glow in the dark would have been really, really pretty. But it's a gorgeous set canvas, and as I say, it's a quick and easy way of doing a clock for not a huge amount of money. And I think if you did that as a present for somebody, then they would really like it. I know I would. Okay, so we'll leave the little clock there to just carry on doing its thing a moment. Okay, just one more little quick project to show you before I go. And this is the little crown bookmark. Look at that. How sparkly is that? It's just all ABs and sparkle. So yeah, quite appropriate for this year. I have sealed it as well, so it's all ready to go to be gifted to somebody. And yeah, I just think the gold, these just little like cabochons, the little half sphere gold gems just really set it off. But that is so, so pretty. So yeah, I'm just really liking this. Nice and thin as a bookmark, and just having a crown sticking out. I say very appropriate for this year, because we have got the coronation of King Charles III this year, after the sad passing of Queen Elizabeth II last year. So yeah, we'll be having a bit of a royal do. And again, that one was a PR package from One Day Saving in August last year, and it was £2.70. And I've put the clear crystals, I've already popped them in my jar, because yeah, I forgot about showing you this one. I thought I'd already shown it and then realised I hadn't. And then I've just got the little golds and the little stars. Look, little tiny rounds. Oops, just focus. Yeah, with like a pearl, and then they've just got a little star stamped in the top. So I've just got those two gems to put away. Okay, so yeah, you can see, look, my clock is moving round. It's coming up to 2:30, so I think it could be cup of tea time. So I'm going to leave you for now. If you've enjoyed looking at these, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. If anybody does know Cindy Bennett, give her a nudge. Otherwise, I will have to redraw for that $10 gift card. And yeah, that's me done for now. So don't forget to subscribe by pressing that little button down in this corner here, and the whole notifications bell that pops up, so you won't miss anything. Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.